of discussion about how financial services organisations need to innovate in the face of customer demands, the rise of the fintechs and challenger banks. Technology offers new ways of working and offers endless ways to enhance the customer experience. With this becoming the norm, end users expect to communicate with their bank in the way that feels natural to them. Yet when it comes to embracing this change, banks are finding it difficult to adapt and to get innovations out the door. The problem banks face is that they're weighed down by compliance and regulation, which makes their processes slower and their costs higher.
Through the processes of the FINkit toolkit, we help banks to be as disruptive and innovative as fintechs without losing the safety net of their security and controls. Unlike most companies, we are agile to our core, all the way through the V model from day one to launch and beyond.
It's not just a technology setup, it's not just PaaS, it's not just continuous delivery, it's about bringing design, build and test together in a coherent way that makes it easy to build these services in a sustainable way. We've created a powerful Deep V agile engagement model underpinned by FINkit's continuous delivery toolchain and running into the production environment. All the way, we're aiming to optimise and automate the sequence as much as possible.
In starting a new project, our initiation and alignment phase focuses on several key elements: committing stakeholders to their responsibilities and delivering a product vision, forming the Scrum team and a meaningful backlog, confirming business vision, value and goals for initial delivery.
But first we need to know our client. We need to understand their opportunities, their needs, and we need to understand how far along the product journey they've got. Collectively, we define themes, epics and stories towards developing the product vision. We develop API sketches, UX wireframes if necessary, and attempt to identify any potential blockers or impediments that might stall the sprints. We'll look for any mitigations or avoidances if necessary. By learning together and applying these lessons to our product visions and stories, we can improve sprints and products.
Our agile practices are fundamental to the vision of FINkit. They provide a framework for enabling us to deliver value to banks rapidly and incrementally. Firstly, the product owners collaborate on defining a product backlog and vision. Throughout the sprints, the product owners are responsible for the prioritisation of this backlog and ensuring the team deliver on value. During sprint planning, the development team refine the stories and take a number of them from the top of the backlog into the next sprint. The team begins the sprint. This is usually 1 to 4 weeks. During this sprint, they deliver the value they committed to in sprint planning. The team meets each day in daily stand-ups to follow progress and work with the Scrum Master, who helps the team to focus on their sprint goals and remove any impediments blocking progress. The sprint ends with a sprint demo and retrospective. This enables the team to showcase their work to stakeholders and customers and to reflect on what has been and can be improved for future sprints. At the end of the sprint, the work should be potentially shippable, ready to hand to a customer or deploy to end consumers. The process is optimised to go as quickly as possible, from initiation through to the testing of concepts, getting new ideas out in front of end users to immediately start learning from them. By continuously learning and learning together, applying these learnings into our product vision and backlog, we can improve future products and deliveries.
Like the rest of FINkit, the processes and methods that we've created combine the best of agile practice with the need to execute within a secure and compliant environment. With our services, we can support strategic thinking, design-led approaches for refinement, software development, and business readiness decisions, particularly when we get to scale out at the end.